everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I just want to share with everyone this powerful hair growth juice that I make. A lot of times products and ways to maintain hair are emphasized. However, there's not enough emphasis on the internal aspects of hair growth. I wish to bring forth the aspect of the importance of nutrition in hair growth and health. So I currently I've been keeping my hair in these medium-sized braids. I like to keep these in because it's low maintenance and I can wash them. I wash them in the shower fine, and they just a great style for me. Like, I'll put it in a ponytail, and then afterwards I'll add some olive oil to the ends. There's only 3 types of oils that penetrate the hair shaft. That's olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. So I choose to use these oils. Okay, so now you see me preparing the ingredients. The ingredients that I'm using to make this green drink are Honeycrisp. Everything's organic. Honeycrisp apples. Right now I'm just coring the apple. You should not juice with the seeds because it's actually poisonous. So right now I'm just coring the apples. I got this tool from Amazon. It's like $5.99. Pretty cool tool. So it's just very simple. I just twist it, pop it in, and or pop it out, and then the core comes out. Apples are packed with antioxidants which neutralize free radicals, and it actually promotes cell renewal. So it's very good with hair growth. So this is one of the top ingredients for my juice here. Okay, so lemons have a very high vitamin C content, which boosts collagen production and stimulates hair growth. It's vital. Like, lemons are very important, even just for your overall health. Lemons are very acidic, but lemons, when consumed, it helps to create an alkaline environment within the body, which, it basically prevents or lowers your chances of disease. You're wondering about the music? It's called Radar from Dancehall. It's Afrobeats. I love it. I'm sure you've heard when people say eat your dark leafy greens. Well, they say it for a reason. So leafy greens, contain the micronutrient iron, which is absolutely essential for hair cells to stay active and to function properly. And those who are deficient in iron, they may experience hair loss. And the next ingredient is ginger. So ginger has a lot of anti-inflammatory, antifungal effects, which can help with certain scalp conditions. Now, ginger is very, I'd say, strong. So please, with any of these ingredients, consult your physician and make sure that these type of ingredients will be right for you. So I do put about, for this recipe, I put about half an inch of, it's not a half an inch, it's an inch of ginger, but I slice it in half. You could see in the video here. Lastly, for this green drink, I'm adding cucumbers. So cucumbers, oh my gosh, so they provide a lot of nourishment. They contain vitamins A, C, as well as silica. So it's very, very great for your hair, for the nourishment of your hair, for the roots, for your scalp health, as well as it promotes hair growth. So I'm just dropping this here into my juicer. And again, if I hadn't mentioned, so if you do not have a juicer, you can take all of these ingredients and blend them in you can just put them in a blender and put them in a blender and just add a little water, right? And then you could strain the content so that you're removing some of the pulp. And yeah, so you don't necessarily need a blender. I'm sorry, a juicer. Okay, and so here we have our wonderful green drink. I drink this, like I was saying, about 4 times a week. I just make it in like a big batch. Juice is good for about 3 to 4 days refrigerated. So what I do is I tend to put them in BPA-free plastic bottles and I freeze them. So this is our drink here. We've got cucumbers, lemons, kale, apples. And so here I just wanted to make it a little fancy. I put a little salt, pink salt on the rim. This is a little shot glass here. But yeah, this drink is really good, guys. So I hope you enjoy the video. And please subscribe, please like, please comment if you think that this is if you want to see more videos like this. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Happy holidays, everyone. God bless.
Jason's on the